So look at that dozer. The dozer is pushing the dirt. He's pushing the dirt onto the pathways, and we're here at the sidewalk because this guy, he wants to be around those things and play with his excavator toy, because there's also one excavator way over there behind those trees, and we're just here to hang out. So what are you doing? What are you doing, Jacob? Show me how you dig. Show me how the excavator digs. Okay, and then where does he put it? Oh, he's putting it on the metal platform. Okay, what's next? Where do you put it? Where do you put it? Ah, don't go too far. Just play with your thing. See there. Just play with your digger. Play with your digger. So there's a bulldozer, as I said, and then there's a dump truck that comes from behind those trees where the excavator puts dirt on his back, and he brings it over for this bulldozer to flatten. So we were on the other side of this construction zone, and I spoke to a guy there, and they're making a storm drain facility. So it's a pretty big area. This is about 3 or 4 blocks worth of land. Stay over here.
Daddy, are you talking?
Yeah, I'm talking to the camera. Yeah, so it's a big piece of land that they're gonna convert into a storm drain facility. So I don't exactly know what that looks like or what goes on, but it sounds obvious that we need it because of the last windstorm we had. Mind you, we didn't have a lot of rain, but we're in Surrey, BC, by the way. So now we got a dump truck full of dirt. Who will be dumping dirt? Oh, the bulldozer guy just told him to stop right there and dump. So it's dumping. So we're positioned here by the sidewalk, and Jacob here is building his own construction zone, and we're parked right here beside this excavator. He wanted to be close to this guy because that's his favorite piece of machinery. There's rollers there and a baby roller here beside this excavator. So